assignment from the start. Rock solid, and now 3 more match points for Del Potro in the quarterfinals. 3 more retirement points against Andy Roddick.
Absolutely.
Now, John, the reality really does set in.
Exactly. Great career, Andy Roddick.
Box seats, upper deck, everybody's in their seat, including his opponent. For them, it has to seem like yesterday, 9 years ago. They were applauding as he lifted the trophy here. Tears from Doug Sprain, his trainer. Passion that he played with, John, the energy, the patriotism with which he carried American men's tennis from day to day.
Absolutely. I mean, he's a great team player. He loved his country. He played like an American.
He brought lots of entertainment, lots of good humor to the sport as well, along with the wins, and we'll hear from him momentarily. Juan Martín Del Potro, though, a big occasion for him. He's into the quarterfinals. Let's hear from him with Tom Rinaldi.
Juan Martín, certainly a very difficult situation.